Good morning, YouTube. Black Ops Show Services, Trade Show Chronicles. We're here. Dennis Taylor. Here this morning, third day of the install for Alibaba.com Co-Create 2025. Yeah, this is going to be the last day of the install. Tomorrow the show opens, which will be Thursday. I'm here. I got here 7. It's 7:30 now. Got my desk set up. Brought some donuts and stuff for the guys. Restocked the water and ice. Today, we got to get a show ready. So it could be anywhere from 8 to 14 hours or more. It depends on what's got to be done and how it's got to be done. But this is part of what we do. So I will, as always, be walking the floor, sharing content with you guys on how we do what we do here. And I got here earlier today. Well, I usually get here around an hour early, so I was here at 7. Like I said, I'm letting Gabe get some rest. Him and Mike. We got out of here last night around 7. I think it was like around close to 11:30 when I finally got done paperwork. I know Gabe was up probably past midnight or more doing paperwork, so some stuff we need to do. So we are, basically this is what we do. This is show business. But I had those guys coming later. Mike's coming in around 9. Gabe's coming in around 9, 9:30. Told him to take his time. I got this. I can hold the fort down until those guys get back. So anyway, we're going to be sharing more information, more content on Alibaba.com event Co-Create 2025. And stay tuned, stay with us, and as always, Black Ops out.
Now, this is going to be like the main stage. I forgot to mention that's going to be like the main stage for the event, as you can see. So, yeah, that's what we got going on right now. We'll take some more footage later on of the entire ballroom, but just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of that real quick.
All right, Kev, put us camera. That's right, buddy. YouTube, baby. These guys are getting this bad boy show ready. Show ready, baby. Show ready. Final touch up. Tomorrow is the big day. This is the lobby area. Most of the folks are already here. Alibaba Co-Create 2025. I'm just gonna pan around, let you guys see some of this. The chaos. This was jam-packed earlier this afternoon around 4 o'clock. Inside to the main floor. I'll show you the main stage. Here's the main stage. They're rehearsing for tomorrow.
levels live. Because I can talk like I'd be talking in the talk. Yeah.
Got the guys pulling up the blue screen. But they're gonna be vacuuming this bad boy later. You see all these booths. This is a panoramic view. Guys are taking their time cleaning it up. I'll give you guys a spanking view tomorrow when everything's show ready. Good morning, YouTube. 𝐿𝐮𝐬𝐽 Chronicles here. Dennis Taylor, Black Ops Show Services here for the opening day of the co-create Alibaba.com event here at the Paris Casino Hotel in Las Vegas on the Strip. Today is opening day. Got here early with my son Gabriel, my partner, to do a quick walkthrough. Let you guys see some pre-show walk around so you can see what's going on, and then maybe we'll get some more content later on. But I want you guys to see the venue. That is complete. Show opens in 2 hours, and Gabe and I are going to get going out here walking around, showing you guys the Alibaba.com event here for the Co-Create 2025 at the Paris. Thank you very much. Black Ops out. Hey guys, we're here. Getting ready to walk you guys through into the 2025 Co-Create event. Here we go. Follow me, guys. Let me go inside. So this is Co-Create coming into some of this, these different booths, as you'll see here. Different products from different people from all over the world that sell their items on Alibaba.com. We're going to go just give a brief overview of these different booths and these different products. So follow me, guys, as we walk through the booth area. Some of these vendors. See, we got this one, the coffee products, I believe, here. So all types of stuff. I remember this guy from last year. He spoke. This guy's cool. This is a cool little booth. I remember this guy was here last year, 2024. Hope we get to see him again. Women's wear here, fashions. Yeah. Vietnamese kitchen lifestyle, cookware, pickleball, jewelry. These people will have their jewelry will be out here on display later. These smaller booths over here. Sit down this way. You guys see this pathway as well. These are different products and services that are for sale on Alibaba.com. You got women's hair, grooming accessories here. Women's bathing suits. Here's the bathing suits on my left. We have some snacks, coffee products, drinks over here. Like I said, Alibaba has it all. It's pretty much the Amazon of Asia and Europe. I'm sure you guys have seen these containers before. Specialize in these type of containers, bags. Here's one of the breakout stages here, Co-Create. There'll be speakers on these stages. We had 3 stages this year, we had 1 last year. We got backpacks on my right, military style backpacks. It's pretty cool, really proud of. Main Co-Create 2025 booth right here, the next gen sourcing booth. This was fun. I did a great job putting that together. Another one here on my left, we were able to handle as well. everything you see here, Black Offshore Services is here, rocking and rolling, making it happen. Here's our second stage where there'll be presentations. There'll be guest speakers speak on this stage as well. Products, more products, and you'll see here on left and right. This is a store right here. What's up? Different vendors will be showing their wares, the items that you can purchase on their Alibaba site. You can see. Yeah. Other items that people buy here as well. These scooters, mini motorcycles, power tools. What else? We have kitchen appliances over here. This is basically the retail section where we're at. It's different from what we had last year. Actually, a little bigger this year, right? But it's giving you some of the actual products that we are once again more products and items that are for sale on Alibaba.com. On my right, we have more skincare products. We'll shoot back around and I'll show you guys the main stage where the speakers will be staged, which over here to my left. Women's costume jewelry, children's toys. And there's our main stage where all the big wheels will be speaking today and tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some of the guest speakers that'll be here speaking today and tomorrow. You will realize and recognize some of these names. This is, of course, Damon John, Shark Tank. Laura, you know, from Laura Shark Tank as well. Everett Taylor. These are the speakers that'll be speaking today and tomorrow here at this event. Damon was here last year. He spoke as well. I got to see him last year when he was here. But these are the speakers, breakout sessions, free samples, things that'll be going on at this event today and tomorrow. Just want you guys to see that. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what's outside the ballroom. Follow me, we go this way. So this is where the guests will be coming in. The attendees will come in this way here. They'll come in, get their badges, right, get their freebies, their bags, all that good stuff, t-shirts, whatever. And then they'll come out, go in that door. Here we have displays of other products that are also on Alibaba.com. We have left and right. You'll see different products, baked goods over here. You have people selling massage tools, jewelry, you name it, it's on display. These people have their own spots as the rest of these people do on Alibaba.com. This young man, this young lady, what's her products? All this press-on nails, right? Then we have this young man over here with men's grooming products. I think I saw him yesterday. And then we have this young lady's goods here. We have these folks that have their own gaming company, games to bring people together. So just some of the items that you'll find also on Alibaba.com. Back in, and from that point, this show, like I said, starts in a couple hours, and there'll be people coming in by the hundreds to attend this event. This is a very popular event every year here at the Paris.
Thank you all very much for coming back, for sharing your journey with us. Your voice and feedback are what makes 𝐾𝐨 stronger every year. If I had to choose one word to describe this year's headlines about SMEs and global trade, it would be turbulence. You believe you can make it. 𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐿 doubled his inventory before the turbulence and still protect his margins. McLaren found suppliers with more competitive price in a very short period of time with the help from 𝐿𝐵𝐿, our AI native app for global trade. This year, 25,000 entrepreneurs applied to 𝐾𝐨 pitch just in 1 month.